Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular options for those in need of a compact laundry solution: the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Grinchat Portable Washing Machine. We'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is the best fit for your lifestyle. Whether you're living in a small apartment, going camping, or just need a convenient washing solution, we've got you covered. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine boasts a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, allowing you to wash larger items such as jeans and jackets with ease. In contrast, the Grinchat Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 16 liters, which is suitable for small, delicate items like baby clothes and underwear. While the BANGSON can handle more substantial loads, the Grinchat is designed for those who need a lightweight option for smaller garments. When it comes to portability, the Grinchat Portable Washing Machine takes the lead with its ultra-lightweight design, weighing only 3.5 pounds and folding flat for easy storage. The BANGSON, while still portable, weighs 28.67 pounds and requires more effort to move around. If you're looking for a washer that you can easily take on the go, the Grinchat is the clear winner. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine features both washing and spinning capabilities, allowing for efficient laundry processing. With a powerful spin cycle, it significantly reduces drying time. On the other hand, the Grinchat Portable Washing Machine is a washing-only unit, meaning you'll need to manually wring out clothes after washing. This could be a drawback for users looking for a more complete laundry solution. In conclusion, both the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Grinchat Portable Washing Machine offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you require a high-capacity washer with spinning capabilities, the BANGSON is an excellent choice. However, if portability and ease of storage are your top priorities, the Grinchat may be the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.